Okay, so karibu tujifunze kutengeneza applications za Android kwa kutumia Java programming language na Android Studio. So katika video tutorial hii tutajifunza namna kutengeneza login user interface na kufanya backend kwa ajili ya user kulogin kwenye system kwa kutumia database ya MySQL pamoja na PHP. Okay, so final login interface yetu itaonekana hivi, italook kama inavyoonekana hapa. Okay, so user ataingiza username and password kisha atabonyeza commit. So ikiwa username and password alizoingiza zipo sahihi, so utakutana na message invalid username and invalid password. Okay, so suppose ameingiza username and password ambazo zipo correct, so itafanyika authentication. Okay, kucheck kama username na password zipo correct, then kama username na password zipo correct, basi ataitwa kwenye dashboard. Okay, so kwenye dashboard hapa just anaona hizi ni information zake za loan. Okay, ambazo ni hizi hapa. Okay, ambazo ni hizi hapa zinaendelea. Okay, so hizi ni installments za loan. Of course kwenye episode iliyotangulia tuliishia eneo hili la kutengeneza hii installment. Okay, so na tutumia database hii hapa ya MySQL na tuna table hii hapa ya customers. Okay, na of course tayari tumeshatengeneza page ya PHP inaitwa login.php. Okay, so nikija katika localhost. Okay, so nikiaccess localhost. Okay, so nakuta na hii login.php. so nikiklik ni hii hapa. So kama umemiss video hii, okay, just click kwenye video link description kwa ajili ya kwenda kuangalia hiyo video tutorial ya kutengeneza PHP script kwa ajili ya login. So now leo tunazitumia hizo script kwenye upande wa Android. Okay, so now open the project, then come to activity, of course come to layout. Okay, right click. Yes, right click. Okay, so close all tabs hapo and then come to menu activity, new activity, then choose empty activity. Okay, so activity itaitwa just a login activity, then click finish. Okay, come to interface. So now we are going to build user interface. For example, tunataka build user interface. Okay, come to split. Okay, so now change constraint layout hapa to nested. So choose nested scroll view. So make sure kuna space kati ya XML and yes, hapo kuna space. Okay, so now remove this tag, then close your nested scroll view. Okay, so now hapa tengeneza linear layout. So choose linear. So choose match parent and orientation choose to vertical as well. Then come to close our linear layout. Okay, so inside the linear layout tengeneza another linear layout. Okay, select linear layout. Hapo ndani ya linear layout na linear layout, so just copy it and then come to duplicate and then come to close. Okay, so height layout height then put to 250. Okay, 250 itakuwa ni dp, then just select a background, then choose our color 700 color. Okay, so tuna linear layout yetu imetokea ile pale. Okay, then after linear layout now we come to create an image view. So img. Okay, so img, of course we just select image view. Okay, so 200 will be width and height will be 200. Okay, dp. Okay, so image source. Okay, source we choose a navigation, an image tayari inaitwa navigation. Okay, so now we just set a gravity and then we just choose a layout gravity, then put equal to what center. So tunameka center pale. Okay, so now scale type, just select scale type equal to center crop. Okay, center crop. Now choose margin top, just select margin top. I'm sorry, just close it. Okay, so now margin top equal to negative. Okay, then choose 100. Okay, dimension. Okay, now don't select Python, just come to close it. Okay, so now it looks so nice. Another step is come to design. Okay, after design come to palette, ambayo hii just write T, yeah, capital letter, okay, T capital letter, and then just write text, okay, text, and then find the text input layout, okay, and then click and drop, okay, text input layout, of course, click and drop, text, okay, so just texting, so text input layout when here hapo, so click and of course somewhere, sorry, okay, here hapo, okay, so after then click spirit, okay, so text input layout hapa imekuwa created. So now tunakuja hapa, just put style, okay, just put style, then outline the box, choose outline the box, I think your material, okay, outline the box, okay, select outline the box ambao ni hii hapo, okay, okay, outline the, just choose again outline the, okay, then find the material, okay, so material components here, okay, after selecting now come to put id equal to username, okay, id equal to username, so margin left, let's put left, okay, margin left 20 dp and margin right is 20 dp, okay, margin left 20 dp, margin right 20 dp, so in expand you can see, okay. Okay, so now we come to this one, then hint is username, okay, and just choose drawable left, just we access a person, okay, let's choose user for example, okay, so now come to drawable, right click, new vector asset, then baseline, so present, so select this present, okay, drawable ni speech ambayo tulitumia kwenye episode iliyotangulia, so present, okay, now you can see drawable here hapo, okay, so now just choose drawable padding, okay, drawable padding ambayo ni hii hapo, so now select to 10 dimension, okay, so font family, so choose your sans serif condensed ambayo ni hii, okay, so now text color, so unachagua rangi ya text ile ambayo tulitumia, okay, just select it, okay, now you can see it looks so nice. So copy the same code, okay, then you come to duplicate, just use, okay, come to duplicate, okay, so this one will be a password, okay, id is password and hint is password as well, password, you come to drawable, right click, vector asset, okay, so now find here what key, right key, and then select key, okay, select key, click OK, click next, click finish, okay, so now remove drawable, then right key drawable ambayo tumi paste sasa hivi hapo, then key, okay, so kwenye password then input type, just add input type equal to, of course, is text password, where is text password, right, text password, okay, so just kuficha hiyo ili isiweze kuonekana hiyo text password, okay, so now kinachofuata ni just kuweka password to go enabled. So now just access to go. Okay, so now password to go enabled, just choose to true. So utaona password imetokea hapo. Okay, and password to go tint. Okay, so now choose color ambayo ni purple 700. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, and now okay, so this will be drawable start. Okay, drawable start is key. Now you can see key. Okay, maximum lines equal to 1. Okay, just maximum lines. So kama hiyo ni validation imefanyika, so you can use maximum character, maximum length. Okay, length equal to 50 password enough. Okay, so now button will be match parent, will be wrap content, then margin left, just copy margin left and right to from this one, margin left and right. Okay, so come to duplicate. Okay, so now text. Okay, so now text is login. Okay, after then just choose padding to 15 dp. Okay, as you see 15 dp. And so now ID is login _btn. Okay, so now hapa na just kuweka a switch, kuweka katika switch. Next time tutakuja kuiweka switch somewhere hapo. Okay, so come to main activity. Okay, sorry, come to login. Okay, come to main activity and copy this one, copy, come to login, and then come to paste. Okay, enable full screen. Okay, and sorry, main activity, and copy this one. And then paste. So get support action bar dot set elevation equal to 0 and title and get full screen. So natumika kwa ajili ya ku get full screen. Okay, so now we are just creating a text input layout object. Okay, so text input layout, we have username and password. Okay, then button, we have login button. Okay, so just position cursor, import class. Okay, so now progress dialog and progress dialog. Okay, and now we just come to create let's create a date, and okay, let's create a date here. Okay, so now we just create a date. Okay, so now date. Okay, so now we create an object of date equal to calendar. Okay, yes, choose calendar ambayo ni hii hapa. Okay, dot access method, you need to get instance. Okay, then get current, suppose you get current time. So position cursor and import class, then terminate. Okay, so simple date format. Okay, just access simple date format, simple date format, okay, and then equal to new simple date format. Then the format is date, okay, and month, okay, and year, okay, and year, 1 2 3. Okay, so now comma, then local, local dot, of course, get default, okay, dot get default, and then come to terminate. Okay, so now formatted date fd, okay, equal to df dot format date. Okay, so now just create just a variable. Ni variable hiyo ita just kuchukua date, okay, formatted date. Okay, this will be a string, okay, string df, okay. Okay, so now get support action bar dot set set subtitle, of course, subtitle df, okay, so just put df there, or string fd, fd formatted date. Okay, okay, so elevation, to measure, just set elevation, and okay, so just initialize our view. So username sawasawa na find view by id r.id dot username, okay, and password equal to find view by id r.id dot password, okay, and button, okay, button name is login. Okay, so now login equal to find view by id r.id dot login btn. Okay, okay, so now we just initialize progress dialog. So now progress dialog equal to new, then you choose new what, new progress dialog, then the context is this, so just write up as this. Okay, this. Okay, so now we listen the event button ikiwa clicked, so login dot login button hii hapa. Okay, so ikiwa clicked, event ni click, so set on click listener, login dot set on click listener, so new view dot on click listener. So here we just perform validate, so hii just ni method ambao ni user defined valid method. Okay, so now void validate. Okay, okay, so now if, okay, username dot get edit text, dot get edit text dot get text dot to string dot trim dot equals to empty. Okay, so now I catch empty now, so username dot set error. Okay, so username is required. The same, just copy the same code. Okay, so else paste as if. Okay, so now is password, then now password dot set error, then password is required. Okay, is required, so else okay, so we create a login function here, then progress dialog, just kuonyesha ile progress dialog, kuonyesha kwamba user amesha afanikiwa. Okay, progress dialog dot set set message equal to authenticating, of course the spelling error, okay, authentication 1 2 3, okay. Then progress dot set on touch cancelable outside equal to false, okay. And then progress log dot show, okay. Then now I call login method, okay, and just come to terminate, okay. Login method, okay, just so the login method, okay. So here I create method that is public, okay. Public what? Public is void, and then login method, okay. After then just come to kutengeneza class. Class ya kwanza ni class ambayo ita establish connection, itafanya server connection, okay. Class ya pili ita just ku listen server response. Then class ya tatu itakuwa kwa ajili ya user operations, okay. Okay, so now kuna library hapa, so just download this library kwenye link description kwa ajili ya database connection is library, okay. Okay, so now come to okay, so server connection, just right click new Java class and server connection. Server connection. Now we just come to establish connection, okay. Okay, so now public, and then this public static, and then is final, and then is string, then just server underscore URL, okay. So equal to just okay, then terminate, and send public static retrofit, okay. Then retrofit equal to now, okay. Okay, so public static retrofit and get server is this in the user defined method, get the server connection in user defined method, okay. So I pitisha argument yote, okay. So now I implement my function, okay. So now return, and return type method, return what? Retrofit, and terminate, okay. So now kwenye hii method inakuja ndani inasema if retrofit equal to null, okay. If that, so unakuja ndani just implement body, okay. Retrofit, okay, equal to new retrofit. So choose retrofit dot builder ambayo ni hii hapo, dot select select base URL, then just we pass our server connection ambayo ni hii hapa, user defined variable, okay. Server URL, okay. So dot add convector factory, okay. So just ndani upitishe JSON convector factory, of course JSON which method, of course yeah, JSON convector factory, okay. Then dot inside dot create, okay. So now finalize, just show you. So now dot build, okay, dot build is then terminate, okay. So now tunataka kutengeneza class ambayo itakuwa na response, so just right click new Java class, so response, Okay, so hii class ita just kusikiliza save response, so just write save response. Okay, save response, then click. When save response, now we just use what is a RESTful post. Then is in post kama una send data, lakini so now we just use get. So hapa we just get response from the server. Okay, so response tutaget kutoka kwenye file la login.php as well. So access login.php. Response zenye ni hizi, ni status na results code. Okay, so now tumezisend kwa kutumia JSON, so tunaweza kuzipokea huko. Okay, so just use at and just see for this. Yes, okay, this one. Then we receive key from the PHP status. Which key? Receive this key status. Okay, ambayo tumesema kutumia JSON. Okay, receive that key status. Okay, so your key data type is string, so string status. Why is it string? Kwa sababu hapa status imekiwa quotation, lakini results code haina quotation, kwa hiyo sio string, ni integer. Okay, okay, so at, I'm sorry, is at. Okay, so now hii itakuwa ni just a result code. Okay, result code. Okay, so will be int result code, then terminate. So press alt keypad and hold and press insert, select getter. Okay, now select to variables and click it, so get. Okay, so now right click, choose new Java class. Okay, so a Java class will be user. Okay, sorry, user operations, then select interface. Okay, double click here. Okay, okay, so hii itakuwa ni just a login method. Okay, so now at, okay, then from URL encoded. Okay, then at post, and yes, this is post, then post nasema katika file ya PHP linaitwa login.php. Okay, and then now just call what, save response, ili class yetu ambayo ni save response. Then this is login underscore method. Okay, just choose login function. Okay, login function. Okay, then login function, then at field. Okay, so field ya kwanza itakuwa ni just a username. Okay, just creating a variable ambayo itakuwa ni string username, then at field. Okay, what password. Okay, then will be string password. Now it's good. Now come to terminate. Okay, so position cursor, click import class, and then click retrofit to. Okay, so now everything is good. So come to login. So kwenye login method hapa na just kutengeneza variable. Okay, so username 2. Okay, so this will be a string username 2 equal to username dot get edit text dot get text dot to string. Okay, and now copy the same code, so come to duplicate. Okay, so now this will be string password 2 equal to password dot get edit text dot get text dot to string. Okay, so now we come to login. Yes, it's login. Okay, so now after doing so, we just write call, and then we call our server response, this one. Okay, and then you just create an object call, so equal to server connection, is one connection, or this class server connection ni ambayo tumeifanya hapa. Okay, equal to server connection dot, tuna access method ipo ndani ya server connection. Method yenyewe ni hii hapa, inaitwa get server connection. Okay, so login dot get server connection. Okay, so dot create. So ndani tunapitisha interface. Interface yetu ni user operations ambayo ni tumetengeneza muda si mrefu. Okay, so now user operations, of course is user operations, imeanza na capital letter hii hapo, user operations dot then access dot class. Okay, dot class. Okay, so use dot operator to access login function inside user operation interface. Okay, login function ndio tunayo access. Okay, so come to login dot login function and pass username 2 and password 2. Okay, so hapa una pass username 2 and password 2. Okay, after then you just come here and terminate. Okay, just terminate. Okay, so now position cursor and click import class, no problem to import. So our object ambayo tumetengeneza hapo juu ni call, tume dot operator, tuna access method inaitwa enqueue, then new implement callback. Okay, so isha implement callback imani hii. So be careful hapa. Hapa nitakuwa mtu uwe makini kidogo. Okay, so if response, okay, dot code, okay, and in built-in function as well equal to 200. So hii ni kama ni JavaScript na inatumika hii response code ya 200, maana yake server imekuwa connection imekuwa successful, then else, then toast, then create a new toast, then hapa kuna kwaga empty na kwaga hivi, so andika to get application context, then toast dot length, now change short to long. Okay, then response time out. Okay, so now here if again response dot body, then dot get status dot equals to okay, if is that come inside. Okay, ina maana gani? So kwenye file PHP kuna status okay, result code is 1 and status okay, result code is 0. So maana yake username ni password zipo correct na hapa zipo incorrect. So rejea kwenye episode zote angulia tulijaribu kuelezea hivi. Okay, so now moja yupo, 0 hayupo. User maana yake amekosea username ni password. Kama ni boolean expression hizo. Okay, so again if response dot body dot get result code, result code ikiwa equal to 1, maana hapa user yupo. manake else equal to 0, manake ni incorrect username or password. Itakuwa ni hivyo. Okay. Okay, so now hii ikiwa ni okay, of course ndio hiyo moja tu. Hapa tunaanza kumtambua user anapo login kwa kutumia session. Okay, how? So now we maintain user state after login. Hiyo ni session. Okay, session katika Android hatutumii session ile ya PHP, bali tunatumia shared preferences. Okay, so come to hapa juu kabisa hapa. Okay, so create a string shared preferences, just string shared pref shared underscore shared pref. The shared pref file name is XML, na tutaliona file XML equal to user password. Okay, user passwords. Okay, after then come to terminate. Okay, so baada ya kutengeneza hiyo variable tunakuja kuifanyia initialization pale user ambapo amefanikiwa ku login. Okay, so now come down hapa. Okay, so now maintain user state. Unaweza kusema hii ni session. Maliza code ikiwa ni 1, manake user amepatiwa. So now we create an object of shared preferences. Then object in shared preferences. Okay, equal to get shared preferences. Okay, then we access our variable shared pref for XML ambayo tumetengeneza kule juu. Okay, then kinachofuata is mode. So now mode, for now just to use mode is private. Okay, after then shared preferences. Okay, dot editor, then editor. Okay, equal to our object ambayo ni shared preferences dot edit, ambayo ni just shared preferences hapa object. So editor, now tuna put username, tuna put na password. Okay, so editor dot put. Okay, dot put string national ID. Okay, national ID. Now remember kwenye database username ni national ID ndio inayotumika, so tuta capture hii. Okay, the username. Okay, so hiyo ni key, so lazima tuweke var ni sawa sawa na response dot body dot get. Sorry. Okay, so hapa nataka ni just to get national ID. Okay, so come to PHP hapa, file PHP. Okay, so kwenye file PHP hapa tuna just ku add another thing. So variable data equal to MySQL underscore fetch asop yapo. Okay, so variable hii pia tunatumia variable execute kama unakumbuka, execute. Okay, so now come to terminate. Okay, variable national underscore ID equal to variable data. Variable data. Okay, variable data, then we capture national ID. Okay, kwa namna hiyo, national ID. Okay, so now hapa tunaisend na yenyewe kama JSON. Okay, so now national ID, then national ID na extend kama key. National ID. Again we capture full name. Okay, so just come to variable full name equal to variable data. Okay, so capture full name. Okay, just come to terminate. Okay, suppose now na just kuingiza user A ambaye ipo kwenye database A. A ni huyu A. Okay, and I come to save changes, come to browser, come to localhost, come back, refresh, then login. So national ID is A and full name. Okay, so now full name, come here, national ID and full name. Full name equal to variable full name as well. Variable full name. Okay. When I come to refresh, then full name is this one. Yes, that's a demo. Okay. So come to response, save a response, copy it, then add. So add this will be, so tunazikopi kama zilivyo. National ID, copy ya kwenye PHP unje paste hapa. National ID, okay, and string national ID, then copy the same code, and hii ni full name, copy kama ilivyo, sababu hizi ni just a key. Full name, okay, let's come to paste hapa full name, okay, and full name. Okay, so njoo hapa chini, tengeneza a getter method, bonyeza alt keypad ishikilie, then click insert getter, hizo mbili click. So get national ID, get full name. So come to login dot get national ID. Okay, then terminate. Then again, yes, okay, editor dot put string na copy na paste, then full name response dot body dot get full name. Okay, dot get full name. Okay, so now na apply. So editor dot apply. Okay, so now progress dialog dot dismiss. Okay, and now display toasting, copy toast message, paste. Okay, so now right here, welcome whom, welcome use concatenation response dot body dot get full name. Okay, this is welcome, then like this. Okay, so now we open activity. User amesha login, hizo tunamdirect kwenye dashboard. Okay, intent then intent equal to new intent, get application context, then main activity dot class. Intent ni object inayotumika ku open another activity. So hapa nipo kwenye current activity, nampeleka kwenye dashboard ambayo itakuwa ni main activity dot class. Then kuja hapa na terminate. Okay, so now just start activity. Activity start is intent ambayo ni object yetu tumetengeneza kule juu. Okay, again user ataki kurudi nyuma kisha login, kama inajulikana ataki kurudi nyuma, unaandika to finish au unaweza ka flag clear task. Okay, so else amekosea username and password, just choose here hapo hapa amekosea username and password. Okay, so toast incorrect, sorry, is this incorrect? Okay, so now delete it. Okay, so username, okay, dot set error, then invalid username, okay, and then password dot set error and then invalid password, okay, and then dialog progress as well. Let's choose progress, then progress dialog dot dismiss. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so now kinachofuata now username dot again, username dot set hint enabled. Where is hint enabled? Set hint enabled. Now put to false, and again password set hint enabled is false. Okay, I think everything now is good. Okay, so now just let's put toast here. Let's find a simple toast. Okay, simple toast, just come here and display. Okay, after dismiss, so invalid username, okay, or password. Okay, so come here, just write T as a toast. Okay, toast. Okay, select, press Alt, Control, Alt and arrow. It has arranged the code here. Okay. So now, what if internet connection imetokea? So if kuna internet connection, okay, so come to on failure throw, inafanya, so just kama imefanya exception too, then progress dialog dot dismiss, again dot dismiss. Okay, then it toast no internet connection, connect your smartphone to the internet. So no internet connection. Okay, no, connect your smartphone to the internet connection. Okay, now we need to maintain a user state. User kishakuwa login, hapo maintain. If user amesha login, if user had login, never login again. So skip this page or this activity. Okay, so now we access a method that is protected void on access on start. Okay, after then just get method. Okay, so just position cursor namna hii, utaona add super call. So we add a super call there. Okay, after then hii itakuja kuitwa, yani once unapo launch activity, kama user amesha log in, itaskip ile login page, itampeleka kwenye dashboard, lakini akisha log out itamleta tena kwenye login. Okay, I think now you understand the concept. So now we initialize our shared preferences again. Okay, so shared preferences, okay, mode is private again, we just copy it, and then you come here and then we just duplicate. Okay, so string username, okay, string username equal to shared preferences. Now mara kwanza tulikuwa tumeput string, okay, put string, put value. Now we get value, okay, so get string. Okay, so string tunayoget, which string tunayoget ni ile tulioiput na copy hapa kama ilivyo. Okay, national ID. Okay, but for exception itakuwa ni just sorry, let's paste again. Okay, now just write null for exception. Okay, if username is equal to not null, okay, is not null, okay, or username, okay, is not empty. I think is that of course is not empty. No, yes, I'm sorry. If username has, just choose negation, okay, dot access equals to empty. Okay, and I think let's remove it. Okay, so now if username is not null, I think let's remove one. Okay, or now we come to implement. Okay, ikiwa sio null, so just come to copy. Okay, start activity intent here and just come to finish. Okay, namna hii. Okay, so now intent, okay, dot set flags. Hii ina clear kabisa, mtu asiweze kurudi nyuma. Then intent, sorry, intent dot set flags, then intent dot flag, and then flag, and then activity, and then clear task is this one. Okay, and then come to terminate, then finish. The same command you copy, and then you just come to paste. Okay, so now we access our server. Okay, login.php, we copy URL address. Okay, so now we come to server connection. Okay, so we paste, then we remove localhost na login.php sababu tumesha define. Sorry, login.php, remove it. So if forward slash, ukitoa hii forward slash, application ita run exceptions. Okay, so now we put any IP address. I need our IP address, this one, version 4. Okay, so we come here, then we just paste. Okay, so now kuangalia IP address is very simple. So then open command prompt, just like cmd, desktop start button, cmd. Okay, after opening cmd, just issue command IP config. You can see our IP address, this one, but make copy pale. Okay, and here. Okay, so now guys, now tupo kwenye position ya kuirun our application. Okay, our application, so run application kwenye smartphone. Okay, so now open my virtual emulator. Okay, so now now application yetu ina just compile, fanya compilation, just compile for syntax errors, kama kuna syntax errors hapo. Okay, so now just wait a moment kipindi application yetu ina run. So how to run Android application kwenye smartphone yako, just ukaja ukiklik hapa, just kufundisha kwenye episode iliyotangulia. Okay, so application ina launch. Okay, so there is a mistake, inataka ifungukie page ya login. So come to what manifest. Okay, so copy intent filter. Yep, I copy intent filter. Okay, and then just come to close human activity. Okay, come to login hapa, just paste it. Okay, then delete. Okay, so delete this line. Okay, then name is login. Yes, then activity login, intent filter. So come to close. No is activity, and close activity. I think there's a mistake somewhere. Okay, not application. Okay, so undo. Okay, so copy yapo. Okay, so come to close main activity, then come to login activity here, and then just paste it. Okay, so it will launch. So launch my application. Okay, so open okay, my emulator. Okay, and I launch. Oh, it may disappear. There's a problem. So come to login. Yes, come to login. So username, press activity login and login button. Okay, I think there's a problem somewhere. Sorry. So just remove void equals kwenye login huko chini mwisho, or protected void on activity start. So activity inapokuwa na start inapitia hatua kadhaa, inakuwa created, inakuwa paused, inakuwa terminated hizo. So just run it, run my application, terminate. Okay, now come to view. Okay, so and I click login, username it is required and password is required. Okay, suppose I enter incorrect username. Okay, does not exist, and I click login, invalid username and password. Okay, so for example username is R, and for example a password is again is R. Okay, when I click login, welcome R. Okay, now save my password. Okay, so now when I click installments, okay, ina fetch installments za watu wote. So nataka ifetch installments za current login user. Okay, so now come to our application, come to as well installment.java. Okay, so be careful, installment.java kuja chini kabisa huko hapa, be careful. So be careful. Okay, so hapa tunaondoa hii comma, so remove that comma. Okay, alafu weka bracket zifuatazo hapa, weka bracket hizi. Okay, ukishika bracket hizo hapo, then hapa mwishoni mwa hii bracket ndio weke hiyo comma. Nadhani hapo imeeleweka vizuri. Okay, so now we call a method that is protected. So protected map, then just so write string inside, string. Okay, then string, then string. Let's choose string. Yep. Okay, then params. Then params is just params, yes, position cursor and import class. Okay. So now get params, of course, is get params. So hii ni method, and then ni user defined method ambayo nimetengeneza, and just throws authentication failure error, of course, authentication failure error. Okay, after then, because hii ni method na implement na ni return type, so here just write return what params. So hii tuna return tunaje kuitengeneza hapa. Okay, so again just copy map string hapo. So map string, just write here params equal to new. Okay, then choose hash map kwa namna hii. Okay, then come to create a variable kwenye login, just come to copy shared preferences ambayo ni hii hapa, shared preferences. So come to initialize shared preferences, copy, come to paste in installments, and come to paste huku juu in shared preferences, nimepaste. Come to login. Okay, then copy shared preferences and on here. Okay, so come to installment.java, kumbuka hii ni fragment, and come to initialize here. Hapa ni sawa na get context, sababu tupo kwenye fragment, dot operator, then ina access hiyo dot get shared preferences, then mode is private. Okay, just select it, import. Okay, just import it. Okay, so now tuna send key kwenye file la PHP, so just use params dot put and put what national ID ambayo tumeget hapa. Okay, then comma, then the username. Okay, then again, so return params. So hii tunaituma kama key kwenda kwenye file la installments. Okay, so na copy hiki kipande hiki short, umeona, na kuja kukipaste kwenye home. Okay, come to home, then na hii hapa of course naiondoa na ipaste na hapa pia. Okay, so shared preferences ya initialize, so nakuja kucopy hii hapo. Okay, nakuja kwenye home, nakuja na ipaste na yenyewe. Okay, kwa sababu hiyo shared preferences ni global variable na. Okay, so nakuja kwenye mafaili yale ya dashboard na display home na ile installments. Okay, come to come to copy this one kwenye login, then come to dashboard. Okay, after coming to dashboard, so after connection, so hapa tuna receive current user, so receive current user, so now paste it. Variable username equal to now. So if we set variable username, so just come here and then we copy national ID kama ilivyo. Okay, and then we come to our application, we paste. Okay, and then we come here and we paste again username. Okay, and we do the same kwenye installments. Okay, come after connection. Okay, then we just paste. Okay, national ID. So here we just write kwenye query, where is the query, nd, just nd, add nd, national ID equal to variable username in our database, current user. Okay, Okay, so the same we come to implement on installments. Okay, from installments before order by, so we just add and national ID equal to K. Okay, where this is where from installments, so where national ID equal to variable username. Okay, and here where national ID equal to variable username and password equal to this one and this equal to this one. Okay, hapa kukuwa na where, so where national ID equal to variable username, order by ID as scanned. Okay, test your application isije run error. Okay, so we start from dashboard, no error. Okay, and installments line number 18, installments. Okay, there is a problem here. Okay, select ID is national underscore ID. I'm sorry, national underscore ID, national underscore ID. So when I click to refresh, you can see now no error. Okay, so come to dashboard and national ID. Okay, okay, let's login. It's no problem. So just in mistake, just cut and just cut. Okay, come to installments when I make mistake, where username equal to where national ID equal to this one. Okay, this. Okay, when you log in, just no problem. Okay, okay, so in installments, kwenye dashboard, I think from customers, so where just put where national ID equal to variable username mboni here. Okay, so now when I save changes, I come to refresh my dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Okay, it is good. So now to refresh our application, home, well, you know that, okay. Then installments, no data, so let me take it. So come to run application. Okay, okay, so after running, okay, so let's navigate installments. Okay, is empty, so it means no installments. So using the data as a current user login. Okay, so twende kwenye installments, just copy the same code kwenye home and dashboard, then you come to installments. Okay, installments here hapa. Okay, so now try to paste. Okay, after then run it. Kwenye database current user login hana installment alofanya, so user ambaye login ni huyu hapa. Okay, na ukicheck, okay, now so hakuna installment ambayo amefanya. So ukija katika installment, ndio maana just ina, so uja kutamna your user ID. Okay, okay, so now for example, when I just perform one installment hapa, when installment and insert installment table and click installment, and then insert data table installment. Okay, then for example national ID is Kim. Okay, employees at one, so click. Okay, so when I come to my application, then I refresh, now you can see installment. So installment hapa zipo nyingi, zina display current user. Okay, current user login inaonyesha statements zake. Again insert again, and user ID is Kim, K, and Alice. Okay, so when I come to refresh my application, okay, now so zitajipanga hapo kadri unavyoadd. Okay. So now suppose tuna login kwa user ambaye amefanya installments nyingi, ambaye ni user mwenye ID 001. Okay, so kwa sasa tumesha login, now tunaenda kutengeneza logout. Okay, so kwenye logout, now come to main activity, pale kwenye ile logout nav ikiwa click. Okay, so ikiwa click you remove toast. Okay, then we just call logout method here. Okay, so roho tunaanza method huku chini. Okay, kabla ya hapo kwenye method ya so void of course is return type is non return type logout. Okay, and this one logout. Okay, so after kitendo kama hicho, nao tunakuja kufuta kila kitu ambacho user atakuwa ame login kwa mara ya kwanza. Okay, so kwenye main activity of course hakuna shared preference tulioitengeneza, so come to installments and just come to copy our file. Okay, come to main activity and just come to paste shared. So again to installments, pale ambapo tuli initialize object ya shared preferences. Okay, mode is private, so copy it, then come to main activity, so come to logout. So where is logout? Here hapa tunakuja kuina initialize. Okay, so hapa ni just na remove sababu hii tumika kwenye na kwa namna hii sababu tupo kwenye activity, sio kwenye fragment tena. Okay, so now we just remove kila kitu. So shared preferences dot editor, then editor equal to shared preferences dot edit. Okay, by then now we clear everything. Editor dot clear, so we clear session, then editor dot apply. Okay, then redirect to login page, so come to login. Okay, then copy intent. Okay, come to main activity, then paste. So now tunamdirect kwenye login. Okay, ataenda kwenye login. Okay, so now run our application. Okay, after then just come to open. Okay, so when I click logout, okay, so when I click back, siwezi kurudi. Okay, no back action. Okay, so here just click login to login. Okay, so for example this one, and click login, welcome Kim. Okay, so when I click logout na logout, installments. Okay, home. Okay, support. Now tutatengeneza hiyo page ya support. Okay, so now katika tutorial inayofuata tutakuja kutengeneza item here, option item hapa, ambayo user atakuwa anaibonyeza hiyo option item. So anaweza click hapa kubonyeza logout.